What's wrong with you? Are you hungry? Pretty kitty. Oh. Unfortunately, I have no food. I have no food. What happens? What happens? You're so nice. Maybe we can find some store for feeding you. Huh? Do you want? But it's so far. Not right here. Or you are just talking. Or you're just talking with me. Hmm? How do you think? Tell me. Tell me please, kitty. You're so so talkative. Yeah? You're so friendly. I like this cat.
So honestly, in spite of there are lots of cats, and I could ask so who exactly I should be, but this cat she was saying now lots of times, yeah, here she are, yeah, and I will open to you, yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's something for cats. Yeah, please. No. Yes, try it. I know, I know. Oh, what's wrong with you? You're not hungry, right? Yeah, just eat. I guess she just wanted to talk with me more than eat. But it is for cats. Oh. I guess she's just so grateful. Just bite. Yeah. Don't worry. Just keep going. Lots of chili. Yeah. Enjoy a meal. See ya.